Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. In this video, I'm going to explain the lectures of week 3, which is fractions. Actually, we can understand a fraction by a slice of a pizza. We get fractions like this one. For example, this we get fraction. For example, this pizza, if we cut into two parts, we get half. So this part of pizza is half. And also, if we cut pizza into 4 parts, this part we call it a quarter. And if we cut this pizza to 8 parts equally, we get this 3/8. The top number says how many slices what we have. For example, here how many slices we have? 3. And the bottom number says how many equal slices the whole pizza was cut into. So here this pizza cut into 8 parts, so the bottom 8. You can play the interactive fractions by clicking to this link, and you have to be connected with internet. Numerator divide denominator. We call the top number is numerator. This one 3 is numerator. It is the number of parts what we have. But we call the bottom number, this one 8, we call the denominator, the bottom number. It's the parts of the parts, is the number of parts the whole number is divided into. Mixed numbers. A mixed number is a whole number and a proper fraction combined, such as 1 and 3/4 or 3/4. So this is mixed number. Why? Because it consists of a whole number 1 and a proper fraction. For example, 2 and 3/8. So the whole number is 2 and the proper fraction is 3/8, and so on. 3 types of fractions. The proper fraction, when the numerator 3 less than denominator 5. Improper fraction is when the numerator 9 greater than denominator 5. And mixed number, this one is consists from whole number and proper fraction. And actually mixed fraction and or plural fraction are same name. For example, 1 and 3/4. So 1 pizza and 3/4. It equal to this is mixed. This is mixed number. It equal or same as improper fraction 7/4. Because look here, this is slice 4 parts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same as here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/4. Converting a mixed fraction to improper fraction. How we can convert mixed fraction like this one, 3 and 2/5 to improper fraction? Firstly, we multiply the whole number 3 part, the whole number part 3 by the denominator 5. We get 15. 3 times 5, 15. And then we add the numerator to the numerator. We add 15 with the numerator 2. We get 17. So the result will be 17 over, and we get same denominator as here, 17/5. We can do the numerator in one go, like in one time. So we multiply 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17 will be 17 over and the same denominator. Here another example. Convert 2 and 9th, 1/9 to an improper fraction. So what we have to do, we multiply 2 times 9, 18, plus numerator 1, 19, and we put same denominator over 19/9. Now opposite, we convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. to mixed fraction. For example, convert 11 over 4 to a mixed fraction. So firstly we divide 11 divide by 4. So I ask it's not divide, but before, what's the number before 11 can divide by 4? 8. So 8 divide 4 2. And how many remainder? The remainder is 3. So now we write down 2, and 8 here. We go before 11 8 divide 4 2, and so we put 2 here, and the remainder we put in the numerator, and that same denominator here. So that example can be written like this one. So 11 over 4, I tell myself 11 divide 4, so it cannot be. So before 11, which the number can divide by 4? 8. Divide 4 2. What's the remainder? 3. So it will be 2 and 3 over 4. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions have the same value, even though they may look different. These fractions are really the same. For example, half to fourth, 4/8, and visually it looks like this one. So half is same as 2 over 4, look, and equal 4 to 4 over 8. Why they are the same? Because when we multiply or divide both the top and bottom by the same number, the fraction keeps its value. For example, half, if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, we get 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4. And also when we multiply the numerator 2 times 2 4, and also we multiply the denominator 4 times 2 8. Here are some more equivalent fractions, this time by dividing. For example, 18 over 36. How we can get equivalent fraction? So I divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number. 18 divide 3, 6, and 36 divide 3, 12. And also when we divide 6 divide by 6, we get 1, and 12 divide 6, we get 2. You can play with fraction number line to see equivalent fraction by clicking to this link. Also, you have to be connected by the internet. Simplifying fractions. Simplifying or reducing fraction means to make the fraction as simple as possible. Why say 4/8 when we really mean a half? So look here, this is 4/8 equal to 2/4 equal to half. In fact, when checking from smallest to largest, we use prime numbers. So we can simplifying a fraction by two methods. Method 1, try to exactly divide both the top and bottom of the fraction by prime numbers, 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, and etc., until we cannot go any further. For example, simplifying the fraction 24 over 108. So I start with the first prime number. So 24 divide 2, 12. 108 divide 54 divide 2, we get 54. And also when we divide 12 divide 2, we get 6. And also 54 divide 2, we get 27. And here we cannot divide by 2. 6 can divide by 2, but 26 cannot divide by 2. So 6 divide 3, we get 2. And 27 divide 3, we get 9. So this is the symbols form. So the fraction we can simplify to 2 over 9. This is the method 1. Method 2, divide both the top and bottom of the fraction by the greatest common factor. and this is we do from previous lecture. For example, simplify the fraction 8 over 12. The largest number that goes exactly into both 8 and 12 is 4. So the greatest common factor between 8 and 12 is 4. So we divide both the top, the numerator, and the bottom, the denominator, by 4. 18 divide 4, 8 divide 4, we get 2. 12 divide 2, we get 3. So the fraction we can simplify to 2 over 3. Adding fraction with the same denominator, same bottom number. For example, quarter plus quarter. Look, we have the same denominator. So we put the same denominator, and we sum the numerator, the top. 1 plus 1, 2. And we can simplify to half. 2 divide 2, 1. 4 divide 2, 2. Here another example. 5th eighth plus 1/8. So the bottom or denominator is same. We put the same. Then we sum the numerator, the bottom, the top. 5 plus 1, 6. And here we can simplify by divide 6 by 2, we get 3, and 8 divide 2, 4. Sorry. Adding a fraction with different denominators. For example, here 3/8 plus quarter. We notice here the bottom or the denominator are not same. So in this case, it's easy. So we must somehow make the denominator same. So because we know that quarter is the same as 2 over 8. So we multiply the bottom and the bottom, the denominator, the top, the numerator, and the bottom denominator by 2. 2 times 1, 2. 4 times 2, 8. So quarter and 2 over 8, they are equivalent. So 3 over 8 same, and the right, the equivalent of this one, 2 over 8. So we can now sum. So the denominator is same, 8, and then I sum the numerator. 3 plus 2, 5, will be 5 over 8. Now subtracting fraction with the same denominator. That means same bottom number. For example, 3 over 4 or 3 quarter minus 1 over 4. So we notice the bottom, the denominator is same. So I put the bottom same, the denominator same, and I subtract 3 from 1. We get 2 over 4, and we can simplify by 2 divide 2, 1, and 4 divide 2, 2. Now subtracting fraction with different denominators. For example, half minus 16. So we know the denominator, they are not same. So what we should do? So I ask myself, how we can put 1 over 2, the denominator same as 6. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. So I multiply 1 by times 3, 3, and 2 times 3, 6. So I replace half by its equivalent, 3 over 6 minus 6, 1 over 6. Now the denominator is same, so I put the same denominator, then I subtract 3 from 1, we get 2 over 6, and we can get this is 1 over 3, like this one. How we get 1 over 3? We divide 2 divide 2, 1, 6 divide 2, 3. Now adding mixed fractions. For example, what is 2 and 3 quarter or 3 over 4 plus 3 3 and half. So firstly we convert to improper fraction. So we know from previous slide that uh, we convert 2 and 3 over 4 to improper fraction. We make the denominator same 4, but here 2 times 4 8 plus 3 11, and same as for here 3 and half. We put the bottom same, the denominator same, then multiply 2 times 3 6 plus 1 7. So now I replace this one by this one, 11 over 4 plus plus, and I replace 3 and half by by 7 over 2, by 7 over 2. But 7 over 2 I can put to make its same denominator. I multiplied here by 2 14 by 2 4, so it will be 14 over 4. So now the denominator is same 4, and I add the numerator 11 plus 14 25, and here I can convert this is improper fraction to the mixed number. So I ask myself, what's before 24? I can divide by 4. 25 before is 24. Divide 4 6, and how the remaining 1 over 4. Subtracting mixed fraction, same idea. What is 15? 3 over 15 and 3 over 4 minus 8 and 5 over 6, same. Firstly I convert to the improper fraction, so I make the denominator same, 15 times 4, and then I add with 3, will get 63, and here 8 and 5 over 6, so I make the denominator same, then I multiply 6 times 8 is 48 plus 5 will get 53. So now the denominator, they are not same. What I have to do, I multiply both by what I multiply 4 here to make same denominator. I multiply 4 by 3, we get 12, and 30 and 36 times 3 189, and same as here to make 12 I have to multiply by 2 for 12, then I multiply the numerator 53 times 2 will get 106. Now the denominator will be same 12 here, so 189 over 12 minus 106 over 12, so the denominator is same 12. So now I subtract my numerator minus 189 minus 106 will get 83, and we can simplify this one or convert to the mixed number. Multiplying fractions, it's an easy way. When I multiply half times 2 over 5, I multiply the top number, the numerator, 1 times 2 2, then multiply the bottom number, the denominator, 2 times 5 10. So I multiply numerator times the numerator 2, 1 times 2 2, and denominator 2 times 5 10, and I can simplify to fifth. How? I divide 2 by 2 1, 10 divided 2 5. Reciprocal of a fraction. To get the reciprocal of a fraction, just turn it upside down. In other words, swap over the numerator and denominator. For example, the fraction 3 over 8. To get the reciprocal, we make the bottom the numerator denominator to be numerator, and the numerator to be the denominator, and so on and so on. So the last example was interesting. The reciprocal of half, we get 2 over 1. and 2 over 1 is 2. Likewise, the reciprocal of 1 over 3 is 3, because 3 divide 1, 3, and so on. Multiplying a fraction by its reciprocal, we get 1. So, when we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, we get 1. For example, 5 over 6 times 6 over 5, we get 1. We cancel 5 with 5, and 6 with 6, we get 1. And 1 over 3, the third, what's its reciprocal? 3 over 1, 3. So we cancel 3 with 3, we get 1. Now dividing fractions. Example, half divide 6. So firstly, turn the second fraction, which is 6, to the it becomes a reciprocal. So will be 6 over 1. Then multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal. So half will be same. Then we change the division to the multiply times. Then we get the reciprocal of 1 over 6 is 6 over 1. So now it's makes multiplying the fraction. 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 1, 2. 6 divided 2, 3. At this point, we finish lectures for week 3. See you in next video.